Installing and setting up the Tengai plugin for Cruitive is easy. Note, you'll already need to be using our service before you can continue. Contact Cruitive, and they'll send you an installation link. To set up Tengai interviews, go to your recruitments and select an assignment. On the left, click on Settings, then Status Flow. Add a new status called Tengai Interviews, then Confirm. Click on the status that you just created and add the effect, Interview Tengai. Press Confirm to complete the setup, then move the status to the first position. The plugin has now been installed and set up. You can choose to automatically interview every candidate that sends an application, or only those who you wish to move to Tengai interview status. To find a candidate's Tengai score, go to Applications. Candidates with the AI interview status have completed an interview with Tengai. Clicking on the candidate will show their personality and behavioral scores, as well as a total. Candidates who you're interested in can be further scored by reviewing them in Tengai Recruit. Score their behavior under 4 different categories. Back in Cruitive, you'll get a final combined score. When you're done scoring, move the ideal candidate to Interesting to interview them in person. That's how easy it is to install and use the Tengai plugin for Cruitive. Catch the perfect candidate every single time.